And I'm sorry, guys. My thing disturbed me. I'm sorry, I had to pause it. So, I'm back. There's a new video after messing up on my last one. But I'll post that and this one. And back on this again. Same spot, right where we left off. But I'm started playing. And I'm about to go in here and try this guy. That's what I have to battle. So, I get to select my dragon. I think fire is against that, and then water against that, and then wasn't it fire against this? It would burn it. No, I need it all fire. First dragon. Heck yeah. Let's go battle, guys! Level 5, level 5. Let's do this. But no! I'm gonna have to redo my plans. Level 5, level 4, level 5. He took me down first. That don't mean he will win. He'll never win. I'm a dragon low. No. Oh. No! Never again. Flying kick. Oh, he's just gonna win this, so. It's lava balls, this guy. Did I say lava balls? You won. Let's sit down here. Let's get this back over right here. Let's exit out of that and now go see what this is. Oh my god. Oh. Yeah, that was before. One I'm gonna have to repost. Yeah, it's just gonna be no fun. And I never can get past this one guy. It's like he's the toughest of them all. I usually just do. That was my brother, if you heard him. You can't tell me when to go eat this. I'm making a YouTube channel here, guy. Let me make it! Jesus. Oh, look at that. Oh, no. I forgot about saving my water for this. Oh, I forgot about that, too. Yes. Oh, are you dumb? I think he's literally dumb. I think he was born as being dumb. But I never have found out what takes this guy down. Oh, what's this? It does critical, I think, to him. Because it breaks... Oh, no. It only does 1,000. And that does so much more. See? But... that one guy left. I don't think it will do so much to him. Nope. He wins. It's again like you. So let's put some stuff. Yeah, I think you're wondering why I haven't been going in some stuff. Ready? Not fast. Let's go over here and get into the earth. Earth. However you want to say it. 250 man. This is the close one. But I've got 7 years. I better be able to have that guy. Oh yeah, man. He's 1,500. Oh, that's gonna be hard. So if I just keep on doing it this way. go feed him. I have that cut back finally. But I want to use my electricity and some more. Just keep you up for and go level up this guy. This awkward dragon. Level 7. How good is that, guys? That good what, son? Yeah, that's good. Kitty. I'm only around 11 so, yeah. Let's go see how much I have now. 91, really. What the heck? Let's go try to take him down and do it again. Yes, level up. Boom. Boom, boom. Let's do this! Ooh, 6 minutes already. I did not know this. Flood. Yeah. Oh! That must have hurt. Ah, that must have crit. It's lightning, fire. Oh! It's not me. Just boom, 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 maybe. Elson, if you're back up, son, and you're watching this, well, I just have to try taking you down. Come on. Come on. Come on. Level 4 mod. Oh, heck no. No. Yeah. Oh, God. Critical have leaf on me. No. Whoa. 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 Can I please play my game phone? Focus. Guys. My father messed up on me. Yeah, still. Mom! Somebody hacked my phone. Somebody hacked my phone, Mom. Okay, now let's go with this guy. What? What?
Here.
What?
Take. Have fun.
This is a fingerprint, and with Touch ID, it does way more than unlock your phone. It logs you into things like your bank account. See your ID? It checks you into your flight. Your phone. It pays for stuff like, how about you?
Oh.
It signs documents for you. Hey, you bought a boat. I bought a boat. I just said that. And it does this. Yeah, it starts your car. So now we're just starting cars with our fingerprints. Just blow.
Seriously, they took the finish out. Figured, oh, that's not bad, so we're just gonna finish home. Really stop and find out what